FAA, I'm sure the heck not gonna do any flight video, as that would be monetizing my video, would be making income, oh God forbid, without a pilot's license. So we're just gonna do some video of me flying it. I think I'm safe doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this. Kind of cool. We'll go ahead and turn on the controller. We'll go ahead and turn on the DJI Mini. Got them both powered on. Let her center up here. Oh, set her down on the ground here. Kind of a tight area here, so I'm not going to be able to go real wild. But check this out. You don't have to have the phone and all the other crud. If you just want to fly it, you can take your sticks, do this right here. She spins up and take her off. And I'm really impressed. It's really stable. I don't even know if it's got GPS lock because I don't have the phone on it. But there you go. That is a very, very stable quadcopter. Go ahead and buzz her around here a little bit. Gotta watch some trees here. Kind of new to this one too, so I'm a little not as smooth as I usually am. There we go. And I'm kind of limited area here, but just kind of give you a good idea how she flies. That's in normal. Let's go in sport. As you can see, she's definitely more aggressive that way. Let's go ahead and crack her again. Pretty fast. I think they say about 25 miles an hour. You can see how much faster I can make my turns. And I believe I can still even record by just hitting the record button. I'm not sure on that part. See, it doesn't really show me, but I hit the record button. I have to take it back inside and see if it's actually recording with me hitting the record button. I think you have to do long push to record. I'm not sure which way it is, but anyway, I'm amazed how stable this thing is though. As you can see, I'm not using any phone at all. I'm just flying her out of the box. She's pretty fast. That's in sport mode there. And we'll go ahead and go to the cinegraphic. I got a cinegraphic. Boy, look how mellow that is. Man, I can just barely even turn that. Look, that's full stick. Look how slow that turns. Woohoo! That'd put you to sleep. But I can see where that'd be really good for cinegraphic purposes. And then here's us back to normal. Whoops. There's normal. Which normal's okay, a little lagging for me. I mean, I fly FPV quads too, so. Which isn't really what this is designed for. This is definitely more of a video type quad. Yeah, I think sport by far is my favorite. Always fly with the tail. She's pretty quick. She's definitely pretty quick. Whoa! Well, let's see how durability is. That's the one risk you take when you're flying in confined areas. Fortunately, I knew the right thing to do. Shut it off. looks like it folded an arm back. Props look fine. Probably need to do a reset. Just to show you that there was no damage done to quadcopters during this video. Yeah, I think she's okay. Yeah, I'm brave, aren't I? But that feels good. Right in front of the air conditioner. Ah, that's pretty old stable right there, isn't it?